Alright, tired of playing bigger mech, slower mechs. Gonna try another game now where I'm playing a little bit faster mech, but more or less cycle and fire support mech. I do like laser vomit, but I'm pretty high right now, so I'm not sure how well I'm gonna be aiming. Let's group up with the assaults guys, push Charlie line with them. The less distance they gotta run, the quicker they can get in the fight. Assaults, we're going to want to push straight to Delta 4 and then hold there depending on what their team does.
Affirmative.
If they're not defending it real well, we can push right through it. Keep going, Kodiak. Don't stop. There's no reason to stop back here. A lot faster than you. They're going to catch up to you. Keep moving.
Now keep your locks, please. Bravo, bravo. Echo 4.
Alright, there's first contact.
Charlie, Charlie. Look out, they popped on the LR. Ooh, Kodiak is not fucking happy.
Kodiak, Grasshopper, center.
Charlie, front center torso. He ain't got no armor.
Target spotted.
Come on, son, pop that Kodiak one time.
New target acquired. New target acquired.
UAV up for you. There's UAV above.
New target acquired. New target acquired.
UAV's down.
They're starting to push Delta 4.
Thank you for getting that fucker off me. I'm behind India. Behind India. India front center torch. I think he's going.
New target acquired.
Behind Jericho.
Stupid of me.
Watch out behind you, Lima Kodiak.
Target.
Let's go, go.
Target spotted.
Airstrike online. New target acquired.
He's down, he's down.
Heat level critical. Target acquired. Ultra autocannon. New
I'm out of LRM. God damn it. He's in the center up there. Up top in the center. He's Echo 4, Echo 5, where he just killed me.
Target acquired. Left torso destroyed.
I've got no weapons left.
Torso critical damage. Major torso critical damage. Destroyed.
There's 3 of them by that tunnel entrance where the Kodiak was.
Torso critical damage.
Good day.